Okay guys, I want to make a 3D wireframe with a polyline. So just type in on your command bar polyline, PL, enter. So I'll type in, click on width. So I'll make this as 5 as start point, enter, 2 as end point, enter. So I'll click on this arc 2, click here, click here. So let's just say I want to make the next width as, so I'll just leave it as enter because it's on 2. Click 1, type 1 and enter. Okay. So I'll just click somewhere here, escape. Okay, click on the line, come to property, make this as 15 meters, 15 units, click enter. Okay, 3D orbit, escape, 3D orbit, you can see it right there. So you can actually change this, the color, just click on it, escape, click on it, come to unit and change the layer. Let's say you want to put another color as yellow, green, gray. So let's just say you want to put yellow, come back here, escape. So you could see it, 3D orbit. To orbit it, you could see it, that's just it.